Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your content slider. Now the content slider is a fantastic tool to promote your products because it attracts attention. Okay, but there are a few rules to follow. Now the first is don't add too many slides. 3 to 5 is just nice because nobody is going to look through all 10 slides. Okay, so limit it to 5. All right, now the second rule is you want to link the slides to a product page. That way when people see something and they want to buy it, all they have to do is click on the link to get to the product page and buy the product. So you don't waste their time. It's for your customers' convenience. Okay, don't make them search for the product. All right, make it very easy for them to buy. Now the third rule is make sure that your dimensions for the slides are all the same, standardized. You don't want any slides being too high or some too low. You want to make it like this, smooth, all the same size. Okay, now the third is optimize your images so it's light and makes it easy to load. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, first thing you gotta do is log in to your store. Right, you'll reach the dashboard, click view store. Okay, then click design, layout, and click OK. Next, click this link right here. Okay, self-explanatory. Right, okay, so your current slides are listed here. Now the image I want to upload, the subject matter is on the right side, so I want the text on the left. So I'm going to pull this widget, I'm going to left click it. Okay, pull it. You can see the bars, gray bars appearing at the bottom of the first image and now at the top. Since I want the new image to be at the top, I'm just going to release it here. Okay, where the gray bar is. Okay, there it is. This is just a default image. Okay, placeholder. Now I want to change the image, so I'm going to click the camera icon. Okay, now this is the image I want to use. Okay, then I want to change the text. Now I've already got text prepared, so I'm going to copy it, but you can key it in, no problem. Just copy this. And note this one I'm doing next, I'm just going to replace and leave only the beginning letter there. The reason being I want to keep the formatting, which is the size of the text, the type of font, and of course the bold. Okay, bold effect. Just going to replace it, and now that it's in, I'll remove the last bit. Okay, but I'm not done yet. Remember I told you about linking the slide to the product page, so I'm going to go to this store. Okay, this I'm going to choose this product page as an example. Click just the last bit. Now once this store has a domain, it will replace this like xyz.com, you know, and so on, right? So but this bit is the product page link. Okay, now I'm going to go back here, here, click edit link, the buy now button. Okay, and this link also, so that if they click the image they can also get to the store. So I'm going to use this, it's blank. Okay, now if you click the image itself, you will see a few icons. This is to move the image around. See, okay, just in case you want to change the position of the image. Click again. This is if you know HTML, right? Then you click this. This is to duplicate the image, yeah, and this is to delete an image. Okay, simple. Okay, now you've got all this here. You can just save the changes. Okay, and then we're back to this page and save it here. Yep, save, done. If you want, you can publish a store. See whether the image is here. Ah, there it is. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back. Let me go back here. See, you click that and you're at the product page directly. Okay, so that's the lesson for today.